I said Sinu, bro. Sinu. Origins. Somebody died with the French toast. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be installing some speakers in the car. Right here from this pack, it comes with two 6.5s and two 6x9s. So I'm going to be using the 6.5s round, and I'll put them in the car. And then right here, this will be some other time. The 6x9s and the radio, that's going to go in the truck. And then the radio that's in the truck right now, that I'm going to save it for some other day, so I can replace this one, because this radio, whenever you turn it up, it sounds staticky. So I don't know if it's like some ground connections or something, or the radio's just messed up. So I'm gonna replace that one too. Those grills, first you come right here through the trunk, and I already took off a bolt right here, and just squeeze it together and then just push it up. So that's how you remove the grill. Alright guys, so the grills are off, and I already turned on the radio. Let me just you guys like country. So these, when you move the speaker, see, so both of them are bad already. So these are factory speakers, by the way. Oh shit. Alright guys, so you got the idea. These are old speakers. So let me get a screwdriver. It's a short one because of the glass. Let me get a screwdriver, start taking these off. Alright guys, so here are the speakers. Let's dissect them, see what they have. Ooh, look at that. This was already out, right? Yeah, these are the factory speakers. This is a 97, so 20, almost 21 years, 20 years. It's a long time for these speakers. These, look at that. Nice quality speakers right here. If anybody wants them, they're gonna be up for sale on Craigslist. Okay, so from here I'm only gonna use the 6.5s. So I'll see what comes out first. Alright, well, it's the 6x9s right here. Oh look, that's a cube. Alright. Let's stand it up. Yeah, poke a hole in your speaker. Alright, so here are the speakers, the 6.5s and the 6x9s. So the ones I'm going to use are these. Comes with a little grill. I'm probably not going to use. And this is the speaker, small little magnet, 200 watts. I don't have an amp for these, so this is just going to be connected to the radio that's going to come out of the truck. It's a JVC, but I'm not going to run any amps, just the speakers. And let's see the 6x9s. Alright, these are the 6x9s. Three-way. I don't know if that's considered another. These are 230 watts.
I believe that youth is spent well on the young, 'cause wisdom in your teens would be a lot.
Alright guys, so there are the speakers. I still need to put some bolts right here, but I need to put some washers because they're pretty spaced out. So from the back, I used the same connectors, but it had a plastic clip. Let's see if it's still here. Yeah, it had a plastic clip, so I just opened it and I used one of these little picks to just take off the clips right there. And I took off the brass pin, and that's what I'm using to connect it right there. So Those are already connected. So that's it on the grills. Right now I am painting them, so they're drying right now. Just a real quick update for the truck. I already put the bumper on the back. Yesterday I cut the right there. Yesterday I cut the brackets and I re-welded them. Threw some paint just so that they wouldn't rust. And there's that other one over there. So the back bumper is done. And over here for the front bumper, right here, I got the saw and I cut the caps from right here. I measured with the bumper, because right now when I would sit the bumper right here, it would be too tall and it would cover the parking light right here and it wouldn't go back because of the grill. So I measured and I ended up with this line. So I cut it with the saw. This is a short blade for steel. So I cut both sides, and let me see. Right here it's sort of leveled right there. Right here too. And over here. I mean, right here, the next thing I need to do is just weld a piece from side to side right here, drill a hole, and that's where the bumper's gonna bolt up to. So for right now, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.